Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage retirement savings with Fidelity detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Fidelity account if you don't already have one. Visit the Fidelity website and click on Open an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, log in to your Fidelity account. Begin by reviewing your current financial situation. Gather details on your income, expenses, and existing savings. Define your retirement goals, such as your desired retirement age and lifestyle. Use Fidelity's retirement planning tools to assess how much you'll need to save. Navigate to the Retirement tab on the site. Select Retirement Planning to access various calculators and resources. Choose the Retirement Score tool to evaluate your current plans. Input your financial data to calculate your projected retirement savings. Consider adjusting your savings goals based on the tool's recommendations. Explore Fidelity's investment options for your retirement accounts. Review options such as traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, or 401k plans. Evaluate the performance history of mutual funds and ETFs available. Select investments that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Use Fidelity's asset allocation guidance to create a diversified portfolio. Revisit your portfolio regularly, at least once a year. Monitor your investments to ensure they are meeting your retirement goals. Make adjustments based on performance in changing financial situations. Consider maximizing contributions to take full advantage of employer matches. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement account to build savings consistently. Stay informed about market trends and changes in retirement regulations. Utilize Fidelity's resources, such as articles and webinars, to enhance your knowledge. Consult with a Fidelity advisor if you need personalized investment advice. Document your progress regularly to stay on track with your retirement savings plan. Reassess your goals and strategies periodically, especially after major life changes. Maintain a long-term perspective, focusing on growth rather than short-term fluctuations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.